Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max Online class. In the previous class, you have learned scientific notation. Today also I am going to continue same scientific notation. In the previous class, I have given exercise 2.8 first and second problem as homework. Have you all completed? Okay, students, take your homework note and check the answers. Represent the following numbers in the scientific notation. First one, 569430 0000000. This one we have to convert into scientific notation. In the scientific notation, before the decimal point, how many non-zero digits should be there? Only one non-zero digit should be there. So, we can write 5.6943 0000000 into, we have to count the digit. How many digits we moved the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 digits. So we can write 10 power 11. But when we are writing the answer, after the decimal point, the last coming zeros we can neglect. No need to write. So I have neglected the 0 and written 5.6943 into 10 power 11. Second question, 2000.57. We want to convert into scientific notation. First, we can write 2.00057 into, how many digits we moved the decimal point? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits, so 10 power 3. 3 digits we moved the decimal point left, so we have to write 10 power 3. Here this 0 don't neglect. In between coming zeros we have to write that same. Okay, clear? Next, 0.000000600. We want to convert into scientific notation. How we can write? This is a 0. I already explained that when we are writing in scientific notation before the decimal point, one non-zero digit should be there. It is the 0. So we want to move the decimal point. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit. So 6.0. Otherwise 6 also you can write 6 into 10 power minus 7. Why I have written minus 7? We moved the decimal point right side. So 10 power minus 7. Next fourth one, 0.000900002. It's equal to, first what you have to write, 9.00002 into, how many digits we moved the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit right. So we want to write 10 power minus 4. Second question, write the following numbers in decimal form. The second and fourth already we have completed. First problem, 3.459 into 10 power 6. We want to convert into decimal point. Convert into decimal point. Power 6. Power positive is given means we want to move the decimal point right. We want to move the decimal point right. Okay. So we can write how many digits we want to move the decimal point? 6 digits. But after the decimal point, how many digits are there? 3 digits. We need 3 more digits. For these 3 more digits, we have to write 3 zeros. So 3, 4, 5, 9, 0, 0, 0 is the answer. Next one. 1.00005 into 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5 means we have to move the decimal point which side? Left side. How many digits? 5 digits. Before left side before the decimal point, how many digits are there? only 1 digits, but we need 5 digits, is it? So how many zeros we have to write? After the decimal point, 4 0, 1 2 3 4. Next 1 0 0 0 0 5. So what's the answer? 0 0.0001000005 is the answer. Next, arithmetic of numbers in scientific notation. If the integers in the scientific notation of two numbers are the same, integers means 10 power like that coming, no? That is same means addition is easily performed. We can add easily, add or subtract easily. Okay. With one example, I will explain. Listen. 5.06 into 10 power 5 plus 6.09 into 10 power 6. How we can add? Here you see that power is not same, is it? Here the power is not same. We cannot add easily. First we want to convert into the power same. First we want to convert into power same. Afterwards only we can add. That means 5.06 into 10 power 5. This one we can move 1 digits right means what we will be get it? 60.9 into, when we are, if we are moving the decimal point right means that here the power will be reduced. Power will be reduced 1. 10 power 5 will become. Now you see that both the power also 10 power 5, 10 power 5. Now we can add easily. 5.06, 60.9. So 69.56. What's the answer? 65.96 into 10 power 5. 10 power 5 we have to write the same. Can you able to understand this? Okay, can you able to understand? Same like that we can subtract also. If the power is same, integers is same, we can subtract. Clear? Otherwise first we want to convert the integers into same. Afterwards we have to add or subtract. Next, the product or quotient of numbers in scientific notation can be easily done if we make use of the laws of radical appropriately. With this one here, we don't want to, if the power is integers is equal or not equal, we can multiply or divide. For one example, 6.5 into 10 power 3, next into 3 into 10 power 2. How we can multiply? First we have to multiply the number 65 into 3. 5 3s are 15 on balance. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 19. 18 plus 1 19. How many digits we want to put the decimal point? 1 digit. It's equal to 19.5 into power. What you have to do? Integers, listen here, 10 power 3 into 10 power 2 means 10 power 3 plus 2 is equal to 19.5 into 10 power 5. Again, if you want to convert into scientific notation, how can we convert into the scientific notation? 19.5 is equal to 1.95 into 10 power, how much? 10 power 1 into 10 power 5. It's equal to 1.95 into 10 power 1 plus 5 is equal to 1.95 into 10 power 6. This way we have to multiply. Same like this we can divide also. Can you able to understand? Okay. Now I am going to explain example 2.30. The mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 power 24 kilogram and that of the moon is 0.073 into 10 power 24 kilogram. What is their total mass? We want to find out the total mass. First, total mass is equal to total. If you want to find out the total, what we have to do? We have to add this two. So 5.97 into 10 power 24 plus 0.073 into 10 power 24. Now check this integers. Integers same, is it? So what you want to do? We want to take 5.97 this number plus 0.073 into 10 power 24. We can write 10 power 24. Can you able to understand? When we are adding, what we are getting? 5.97 0.073. Adding time here 0, 3, 7 plus 7, 14, 1 balance, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 balance, 5 plus 1, 6 is equal to 6.043 into 10 power 24. Can you able to understand this? Can you able to understand? Okay. Example 2.31. Write the following in scientific notation. Write the following in scientific notation. First problem 5,0,0,0,0,0 power 4 is there. First, we can write this into scientific notation. How can we write this in scientific notation? How many digits? 5 into, how many digits before we want to put the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We move the decimal place 7 digit left. 7 digits left means what you have to write? 10 power plus 7 or minus 7? Yeah, plus 7 we can write it. Clear this? Now we want to find out 5,0,0,0,0,0 the whole power 4. Is it whole power 4? It's equal to 5 into 10 power 7 the whole power 4. Okay. Y 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. The whole power 4 is equal to 5 into 10 power 7 the whole power 4. This we can write A into B the whole power m is equal to A power m into B power m. So how can we write it? We can write 5 power 4 into 10 power 7 the whole power 4. 5 power 4 means what ma? 5 5 are 25. That means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. It's equal to 5 5 are 25. 25 into 25. 25 into 25. 5 5 are 25. 2 balance 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Here 5 2s are 10. 1 balance 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 625 into A power m the whole power n is equal to A power m the whole power n is equal to A power m into n. So 10 power 7 into 4. 10 power 7 the whole power 4 is equal to 10 power 7 into 4. It's equal to here. Now is it in scientific notation? 625. It is not in scientific notation. Now we want to convert this into scientific notation. So what you have to do? 6.25 into how many digits we moved the decimal point? 2 digits left. So we want to write 10 power 2 into 10 power 7 fours are 28. It's equal to 6.25 into here a power m into a power n. A power m into both also base is equal. So a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. It's equal to 10 power 2 plus 28. It's equal to 6.25 into 10 power 30 is the answer. Can you able to understand this? Can you able to understand? First, 5 after 7 0 is there. This number when we are converting in scientific notation 5 into 10 power 7. But we want to find out this number power 4. So 5 power 4 it's equal to 5 into 10 power 7 the whole power 4. A into b the whole power m means a power m into b power m. So we can write 5 power 4 into 10 power 7 the whole power 4. What is 5 power 4? 5 5s are 25. 25 into 25 625. This again we can write a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So we can write 625 into 10 power 7 into 4 is equal to, again now it is not in scientific notation. So this we can write 6.25 into 10 power 2. Okay, can you able to understand? Into 10 power 7 into 4 10 power 28. Now we can use a power m into a power n. 10 power 2 into 10 power 28 is equal to a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 10 power 2 plus 28. It's equal to 6.25 into 10 power 30. Now the second problem 0.00000005 the whole cube. First 0.00000005 the 5 is equal to, what's the scientific notation of this? What's the scientific notation of this decimal expansion? 5 into how many digits we move the decimal point? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 digits where? Right, 8 digits. Right means we want to write 10 power minus 8. We want to write 10 power minus 8. But we want to find out 0.0000005 the whole power 3. It's equal to, how can we write? 5 into 10 power minus 8 the whole power 3. So this again we can write a power a into b the whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. So 5 power 3 into 10 power minus 8 the whole power 3. It's equal to 5 power 3 means 25. 25 into 5. 25, 2 balance 10, 12. 125 into, again a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. A power m into n. So 10 power minus 8 into 3 is equal to, is it in scientific notation? No, it is not in scientific notation. When we are converting in scientific notation, what we are getting? 1.25 into how many digits we move the decimal point? 2 digits. Which side? Left. So 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 24. 8 3s are 24. It's equal to 1.25 into 10 power 2 minus 2 plus minus 24. A power m into b, a power n is equal to. Base is same, power is different. So is equal to a power m plus n. When we are using this property, we are getting 10 power 2 plus minus 24. It's equal to 1.25 into 10 power 2 minus 24 means minus 22. 1.25 into 10 power minus 22 is the answer. Then the third question. 3 lakh the whole power 3 into 2000 the whole power 4. First, 3 lakh. When we are writing in scientific notation, what we are getting? What we are getting when we are writing in scientific notation? 3 into 10 power. How many digits we move the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 power 5. Not minus 5, 5. Next, 2000 is equal to 3 into 1, 2, 3. 10 power 3. 2 into 10 power 3. Clear? Now, I am writing the problem. 3 lakh whole power 3 into 2000 the whole power 4 is equal to. First, 3 lakh. When we are writing in scientific notation, 3 into 10 power 5 the whole power 3 into 2000. When we are writing in scientific notation, 2 into 10 power 3 the whole power 4. Clear? Now, same like that before problem what we used. A into b the whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. When we are using that, what we are getting? 3 power 3 into 10 power 5 the whole power 3. Here also when we are using the same property, what we are getting? 2 power 4 into 10 power 3 the whole power 4. Now, what is 3 power 3? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 into 10 power a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So, we can write 10 power 5 into 3. It's into 2 power 4 means 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 into 10 power 3 into 4. When we are using this property, 10 power 3 into 4. Now we can write this number together. 27 into 16 into 10 power 5 3s are 15. 10 power 15 into 10 power 3 4s are 12. Can you able to understand this? Okay, 10 power 15 into 10 power 12. When we are multiplying 27 into 16, what we are getting? 7 6 are 42, 4 balance, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 16. Next, 1 7 is 7, 1 2 is 2. 13, 1 balance, 4, 432. Here when we are using, here base is same, power is different. So, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay. So, when we are using that 10 power 15 plus 12. Is it in scientific notation? Is it in scientific notation? No. When we are writing in scientific notation, what we are getting? 4.32 into how many digits we moved the decimal point? 2 digits left. So 10 power which one? 2 into 10 power 15 plus 12 means 27. 10 power 27. Now again Again, when we are using this property, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 4.32 into 10 power 2 plus 27. It's equal to 4.32 into 10 power 29. 10 power 29. Can you able to understand? First, we have to write these two numbers as scientific notation. Next, 3 lakh power 3 into 2000 power 4 is equal to 3 into 5 the whole power 3 into 2 into 10 power 3 the whole power 4. This we can write 3 cube into 10 power 5 the whole cube into 2 power 4 into 10 power 3 the whole power 4. 3 cube means 27. 10 power 5 the whole power 3 means 10 power 5 into 3. 2 power 4 means 16. This we can write 10 power 3 into 4. So 27 into 16 together we can write. This one 10 power 15 into 10 power 12. Now this 2 multiply in time. 27 into 16 432 into 10 power. This one a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 10 power 15 plus 12. It's equal to, now again we can write 432. It is not in scientific notation. This we can write 4.32 into 10 power 2. This when we are adding 27 into 10 power 27. So 4.32 into 10 power 2 plus 27 is equal to 29. So it's equal to 4.32 into 10 power 29. Now 40 lakh the whole power 3 divided by 0.00002 the whole power 4. First 40 lakh when we are writing in scientific notation, what we are getting? 4 into, how many digits before we want to put the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 digit we, 6 digit we want to move the decimal point. Which side? Left side. So we can write 10 power 6. 10 power 6. Next, 0.00002 the whole power 4. That's why I am selecting 0.00002 is equal to. When we are writing in scientific notation, 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit right side. So 10 power minus 5. So what we are getting? 10 power minus 5. When we are using that, 40 lakh the whole power 3 divided by 0.00002 the whole power 4 is equal to, when we are using that, what we are getting? 4 into 10 power 6 the whole cube divided by 2 into 10 power minus 5 the whole power 4. 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 5 the whole power 4. This we can write like this also. 4 into 10 power 6 the whole cube divided by 2 into 10 power minus 5 the whole power 4. When we are using this property, a into b the whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. So what we are getting? 4 power 3 into 10 power 6 the whole power 3 divided by 2 power 4 into 10 power minus 5 the whole power 4. What is 4 power 3? 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4 means 6 4s are 24. 64. 64 into, here you can use a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n is equal to 10 power 6 into 3 divided by 2 power 4 means 2 2s are 4 4 4s are 16 into 10 power minus 5 into 4. Can we cancel this? Which table we can cancel? Yeah, 4 table. 4 4s are 16. Here 1 4 is 4. 2 balance 6 4s are 24. Next 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. So we are getting 4 into 10 power 6 3s are 18 divided by 10 power minus 5 4s are 20. 10 power minus 20 is equal to 4 into 10 power 18. This when we are writing in a 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power m. Already we have learned 1 by 10 power minus 20 is equal to, we can write 10 power 20. 10 power 20. So it's equal to 4 into 10 power 18 plus 20. What property? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. When we are using this, we are getting 4 into 10 power 18 plus 20. It's equal to 4 into 10 power 38 is the answer. It is the scientific notation of this one. Okay, the question is, so write the following in scientific notation. First we can write this in scientific notation. Next when we are simplifying, we are getting 4 into 10 power 38. Can you able to understand this? Now I am going to give 2 problems as homework. Please complete the homework problem. Exercise 2.8, third problem, first and second problem. Third problem, first and second problem you have to do as homework. Very easy problem. Can you able to do this? Okay, thank you students.